Sir, I can't date you because you are ugly and old.
Now, be ready to be fired.
My peace of mind really matters to me.
Oh, I see. Let your peace of mind put food on your table.
Thank you, sir.
A new AI tool is out. A new AI tool is actually out. What does this AI actually do? This AI has the ability to convert your image into a talking photo. AI has the ability for you to convert your text into video, like super realistic video. This AI has the ability to add a realistic body movement without morphing on your image. So what this stuff basically means is this: you have a new and free AI tool you can actually use now to create a full dialogue story for your African folktale story, animated story, or even your AI movies that you're actually producing. All you need to do is just to stay with me from very start to the end. 1, to know the AI I'm talking about. 2, to know how to use this AI. And 3, to know how you can actually create a super realistic result using this particular AI. So if this video actually interests you, all you need to do is just to stay with me from very start to the end. Subscribe and turn on notification sign so you always get notified whenever what I, Coach Today, drop an amazing tutorial video like this. Without wasting you guys time, let us hit straight to that video.
Basically, in this video I'm just going to use an image to explain this particular AI. So first thing first is to open your Chrome browser. So when you open your Chrome browser, this is the AI we are going to use. So once you open, your browser has opened, just come here and search for what? Search for Google Vids. This is this Google Vids. That's what you need to search for. So when you search for this Google Vids, me now, I don't used to click on this one because if I click on this one, the display is not always good on my phone. So the one I always click is this one that says Google Vids sign in. So when you click on this Google Vids sign in, this is the interface. Like, this is how your screen will look like. So once your screen is looking like this, don't panic or don't feel bad. All you need to do is just look straight to this place that has this arrow. Some phone has this arrow while some has 3 dots. So just tap on it. So when you tap on it, then you will see this option that says what? Desktop size. So this is where you need to check. Just click on it. So once you click on it, automatically the interface will change. So once the interface has changed, this is what you're going to see. Now if you bring this stuff closer, you're going to see that this stuff is actually using what? View 3.1 to work. Do you understand? So what you need to do is just to select your dimension. Now, so you can see it is what? On landscape. Then these are some other this thing you can actually use, but me, I'm using my landscape, which is 16:9, which is standard YouTube size. So if that's what you want to use, all you need to do is just to tap on it. Do you understand? Then you can switch to portrait or square. So once you tap on this view 3.1, this is how this stuff will definitely look like. Now, as you can see, what we are using to work is view 3.1. So let's click here and see if we have other options. Now, okay, that's just the only one we can use. And as you can see, you can do video and then you can make your image stock. That's exactly what it means here. And it uses 720p with audio. That is to say, the images you'll be converting to video or the text to video you'll be getting here will surely be of high quality. That's high resolution. Then after that, the next thing we need to do is just this. Once the interface has opened like this, so what you need to do is this. If you look at this place that says create from scratch. So if you click on it now, you'll be having 2 options. The first one is says what? Create from scratch. That's create a video from text and images. Now the second one says what? Animate an image. That's turn an image into a video. So I'm going to be doing both of them here, but let me start with this one that says animate an image into a talking photo. So once you've gotten this stuff, all you need to do is to tap on this place that says what? Add image. Are you seeing it? Good. So once you tap on this place that says add image, it's going to take you to your phone gallery. So what I will be doing basically is to select a video, an image rather, that will suit, that will be in dialogue format, not just a straight image, but an image that will be in dialogue format. So this was the image I used that you guys see, and I think that's what I'll be using again. So once you select the image, you click on done and you wait for this image to actually come up here. So once the image is here, then this is where you need to put your dialogue. This is where you need to put what you want the image to actually say while converting the image into a video. So this is what I'm going to do now. Let me type what I want, and don't forget we are having 2 characters. I want to concentrate on just 2 characters. So the girl, so I will be like the girl on dark blue suit said, can you see? Sir, I can't date you. You are ugly and old. You see that? So then the man on black, because the man that this girl is actually talking to is on black suit. So the man on black suit smiled. Okay, smiled. Okay, the man on black suit smiled a devilish. Okay, a devilish smile, and then told her to go. Okay, a devilish smile. Okay, so let me just use this one alone. So then after that, what I'm going to do is to hit on this place that says generate. So once I hit on this generate, boom, there is one thing with this AI that I love. It does not take time to convert your image into a video. So as you can see, it's already processing. So let's just see how this stuff will definitely turn out to be, guys. So now, as you can see, the image is ready. So let me play this stuff for you to see the result we are actually getting from this particular AI and rate it on the comment section.
Sorry, I can't date you, and you are ugly and old.
Now, as you can see, this is just how this stuff actually looks like. So
sorry, I can't date you, and you are ugly and old.
To long press on this particular place. Then when you long press on the video, you will see the download button.
Sorry, I can't date you, and you are ugly and old.
Now, there is one crazy something about this thing. The crazy thing about this video is actually this. Now you can expand this stuff here. So to expand, all you need to do is just to tap on this extend. Are you seeing it? So when you tap on this extend, don't forget it was only the girl that actually, talked. Now I want the man to talk. So for the man to talk, this is what I would do. The man, so I'll be like the man on black suits said. You must indicate who is talking. So the man on black suit said. So the man on black suit said, amazing, be ready to be fired. Be ready to be fired. Now then the girl on black, the girl on suit replied. The girl on suit replied, my peace of mind, my peace of mind, my peace of mind matters a lot to me. You see that? Then she walked away. Then she walked away. You see that? Then you hit on generate again. Boom, this AI will definitely generate this. So let's see how the second one will actually be, guys. And don't forget, I'm using the free version, and you too can equally use the free version. Do you understand? And each video you are generating here is 8 seconds. You see that? So let's just see how this one turns out to be, guys. Now I think you're seeing the second clip is ready. So let me just play this clip. Let's see how it goes, guys.
Amazing.
Be ready to be fired.
My peace of mind matters a lot to me.
This is crazy. This is crazy.
Amazing.
But at least
Be
I've
ready
been
to be
able.
fired.
At least the truth of the matter is this: I've been able to like show you that you can actually use this AI to bring your static image to life. So let's go to the option that says text to video, guys. The text to video generation using Google View. This is my prompt, so I'm going to copy this prompt. After I've copied the prompt, then I'm heading back, like I'm going back to my view. So once I am here, don't forget I'm going to switch my option to what, generate from scratch. So once I click, what I have to do is just to paste my prompt. So after I've pasted my prompt, don't forget I have selected my size to be in landscape. Then after that, I'm going to hit on this generate button. Now let's see how this stuff will actually look like, guys. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you've watched this video to this particular length, and let me know in the comment section what you think. Very important, guys. So now, as you can see, with this my particular prompt, I've been able to generate a very horror movie. Just watch this video and let me know what you think, guys. So here is it.
Who's there? Please don't come any closer. You were never supposed to come back. What do you want from me? Your soul belongs to this house.
Wow.
Who's there? Please don't come any closer. You were never supposed to come back. What do you want from me? Your soul belongs to this house. Who's there? Please don't.
Guys, believe me, this is crazy. And don't forget, if you want to download this video, you just have to long press on the video.
Who's there? Please don't come any closer. You were never supposed to come back. What do you want? Who's there? Please don't come any closer. You were never supposed to come back.
Wow. This is crazy, and that's just it, guys. It is better for you to hop into this particular AI now and start generating amazing horror movie for yourself for free without paying that. Catch you guys on my next tutorial video, and bye for now, guys.